The question number 166, the gateways can function all the way up to, we have four options. The first option is transport layer, the second option is presentation layer, the third option is session layer, and the fourth option is application layer. What is meant by gateway? A gateway is the network node that connects two different networks. Consider here, it is a gateway, it is connected to network 1 and network 2. Okay. The gateway is connected to network 1 with a different protocol. We can call it as protocol 1. Similarly, a gateway is connected to network 2 with a different protocol, that is a protocol 2. Okay. Whenever a device 1 present in the network 1 wants to send the data to network 2, then a device 1 present in the network 1 sends the data to gateway, then gateway sends that data to network 2. Here a gateway is converting one protocol to another protocol for sending the data from network 1 to network 2. So gateway can also be called it as protocol converter. See, this is a block diagram. Okay. Here a router or hub can operate only at physical layer. Okay, this is at client side, this is at a server side. Okay, a router or hub can operate only at physical layer. Okay, but bridge can operate at both physical layer and the data link layer. The bridge can operate at both physical layer and data link layer. It is also called as two-layer switch. Why? Because it operated in two layers, that is physical layer and the data link layer. Similarly, a router, it operates in three layers, that is physical layer, data link layer and the network layer. So it is also called as three-layer switch. Similarly, a gateway can operate in all the layers, that is it operates in physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer and the application layer. So for question number 166, the gateways can function all the way up to application layer. It can operate up to application layer. Hence question number 4, that is application layer, is the right answer.